Alright, my name is Josh Borders. Today I'm going to be doing a driveway repair job. The tools that you're going to need for this are, it's nice to have a blower, that way you can blow off all the leaves. I've got two different grinders here that I'm working with. I've got the grinding blade on it to use for the concrete, and then I've also got the concrete repair caulk, which works really well. I'll walk over here and show you guys some of the repairs I've already done. So this is one of them here, and then I'll walk around this way so you can see that one there. It's pretty long. I got another long one here. You can see here, this is a really long one here. And basically you just grind the crack open so that you can fill it with the concrete filler. I'm gonna have my son grab the camera and I'm gonna show you guys how you do one. Alright, go ahead and walk over there with it and then aim towards me. Now this grinder's loud, okay? Alright, so back up that way so you can see me good. Come in front of me here. And just make sure you're close enough so you can see me good, and then I'll have you back away. Can you see me good?
Yeah.
Actually, you want to aim it towards me? So what I like to do is I angle the grinder this way, and then I come back from the other direction. I angle it the other way, and then I'll do it one more time, and I'll aim the grinder straight. And you can see the difference between, you can see how small this area here is that I haven't grinded. You can see how this area is opened up a lot bigger, and it just makes it easier. You want to have a wide gap. You want to have a wide gap whenever you fill with your concrete filler. You want to have a wide gap whenever you fill it in with your concrete filler, so that way it gets down in there nice and deep. That way it keeps the rain out. Because what happens is, if you don't repair your cracks in your driveway, rain will get in the cracks, and then if it gets cold, if it gets too cold, like tonight for us, it's gonna be 26 degrees, so we live in Georgia. If it gets down that cold, that water will freeze inside the crack, and then it'll cause those cracks to get bigger over time, and it'll ruin your driveway over time. So that's just something good to know. All right, I'm gonna give the video to my son, and he's gonna close it out for us.
Hi guys.
Just tell him who you are.
My name is Caden, and I have lived with my dad for 9 years, and I just wanted to say bye.